Ningi, I'm coming via Order 42. By the leave of the Senate President, I will read. And the order says, by the indulgence of the Senate and the leave of the Senate President, a senator may make a personal explanation, although there will be no question before the Senate, but no controversial matter may be brought forward, nor may debate arise upon the explanation. The terms of the proposed statement shall be submitted in details to the President of the Senate when he is leave to make it a thought. Mr. President?
Yes, proceed.
You recall from Monday last week out to the weekend.
Yes, it's my own.
There has been a ravaging social media report on a purported report that the Committee on Constitutional Review has penciled and proposed 12 states to be created. And therefore, the committee is submitting its report to the Senate. Mr. President, I'm a member of the Constitutional Review Committee. I'm equally a member that attended the zonal conference, the zonal constitutional conference committee in Maiduguri. First, our report from the zonal perspective has not been submitted to the main Constitutional Review Committee, and I've also asked other zonal leaders. Reports have not been tabled, nor submitted to the main committee. It is therefore imperative that the social media report that the National Assembly has penciled 12 states is fake, is toxic, and is an irresponsible media outlet. So it is important, Mr. President, to take this matter to Nigerians, that the Senate has not, for now, sat on any committee's report from the zonal levels. The main committee is yet to even received nor evaluate any report. As a member of the review committee, Constitutional Review, we have not. The chairman of the Constitutional Review Committee is sat there, the Deputy Senate President. He has also said there was no meeting. So it is important to tell Nigerians to be aware of fake reports, especially tarnishing the image of this hollow chamber. I so submit, Mr. President.
Well, this Senator Nengi came under Order 40. It's not controversial. It's a straightforward issue on fake reports in the social media. I've always said that the social media is garbage in, garbage out. So I hope that the way the Africans who use social media will not break the society. That's my only hope. Because you will see where even the appointments will be made, they will go and fake letter-headed paper and write that the person has rejected the appointment, and then they will now rush to people they know and to go and lobby for that same appointment, when the person in question does not even know that he has rejected the appointment. So this is the problem we are having with the social media. And then unfortunately, some people revel in it. They relish in social media. Any small thing, they go to social media. So I do know that the Senate, it's important the public knows that the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has not even concluded the processes of getting a final report for deliberation on constitutional amendment. And therefore, no single state, proposed or otherwise, has been created. And even if that were to be the case, it will involve all the houses or assemblies in the country, and we must get their 2/3 concurrence before anything can come back to us. And the two chambers, our House of Reps and the Senate, must also be involved. So I've seen some communities holding meetings on how they are going to develop their new states. and because the social media said states have been created for them. I think they said, how many states they said they created? 12 new states. So unfortunately, not one has even, there are proposals for state creation, well over 42 or so, but not one has reached a stage where we can even say we have finished zonal deliberations or even finished national deliberation and then transmitted to state houses of assembly and then brought back to the National Assembly for deliberations and thereafter go into various, the processes of making amendments or alterations to the Nigerian Constitution are very laborious and very stringent. So please, the public should be aware, as raised by Senator Nengi, that no state has been created by this August Assembly. And every report to that effect in the social media is fake. I hope people are educated with this.
Point of order.